Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the TheCubicle, and in this video, as you have seen the title already, that today I am going to be reviewing the Xman ball Pyraminx. So I have brought it from Cubelelo.com. Real fast, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can always be reminded whenever I post my videos. So without any further ado, let's begin. So now let's first just open the box. Here let me show you the MRP. Here is written 1700, but you can get it for 999 from Cubelelo.com. First you will get 6 magnets. I've already used 3 of them, so 3 are left, extra magnets. And now then you will get a pamphlet like this from why usually the tutorials are written. And now finally the Pyraminx. Let's keep all of them aside and now let's concentrate on the Pyraminx. So here you can see the Xman logo given. Now let's do some turns. It's very clicky, as you can hear from it. It does not have any roller balls. It has a strong magnets feel. Let's test the tips. It has very strong magnets, so as you can see, I do not have to apply any kind of force to fully turn it, just to click it. Now let's test the corner cuts. It has pretty well corner cuts. Not too good, not too bad. The best thing about it is that you do not have to apply any kind of force to move the sides. It has very strong magnets and automatically gets attached. So now let's break it down and see what's inside. So now I've broken down the pieces, as you can see here. So here is the core. It's a yellow core, as you can see. I'll try to zoom it as possible. It doesn't have any ball bearings. It's just stable with magnets. They are really very strong magnets. So now let's broken down them further to get the inner sides of the. So now I have broken down the edge pieces, as you can see here. So now let's take a closer look. Let's take 2 pieces. So now one sec, let me zoom it. So now here are the magnets. As you can see, they're closed in brackets or some kind of covering. They close like this, and this is the edge piece formed by them. Sorry. And each of them has different kinds of, I think, colors to color manage them. I don't know why these both are same brackets, but let's see. Yes, yellow ones have blue brackets and the blue ones have yellow brackets, as you can see here. So now let's just assemble them again. So now, as you can see here, they are again arranged by the order. So now just join them, rearrange the whole cube again in just 3, 2, 1. So guys, now as you can see that I've again arranged it and it is as smooth as can. So let's just do a quick solve in it. Let's just hand scramble it. Three, two, one, go. Done. Don't take me wrong, I didn't do it initially that easy scramble. So thank you guys for watching this video till this end. I will give the buying links of this gift from India as well as international in the description. Don't forget to check it out. And if you guys want any kind of cube that I should try to review or unbox, please tell me in the comment section. Or else in the last video I have said that if would I organize a giveaway of 100 rupees discount or 200 rupees discount as a birthday special. So you guys didn't comment anything except one, so bad luck, sorry, can't do it. So in the next video I will be again doing the average multiple of 5 solves, episode number 4 I think, which will be the average of 20. So keep your bell icons on and I'll be doing that as soon as possible in the next Sunday or Monday. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can always be reminded whenever I upload my videos. So thank you for watching this till end and happy cubing.